Before installing the side skirt, I wanted to wrap the side skirts in gloss vinyl black. This was to make it shiny and glossy and not have to paint it. Now next we just jack the car up, and then we start putting the jack stands on and only raising one side of the car so that we can just have access to that side, so we can put one side of the side skirts on first. You want to remove this little mud guard thing that's in the back. It's kind of a pain to pull out because the clips are actually pretty stuck in there. It's supposed to be, you're supposed to push them toward the front of the car and they should come out, but it's pretty difficult, so you kind of use a screwdriver to pry it out, and you can see that it's basically built to be pushed out, but then for whatever reason I couldn't get them out. So because I'm doing this by myself, I needed a little help, so I found a box that fit perfectly under the car. Hold up the side skirt on one side so that I could measure it out. Basically, that it's an extra pair of hands to hold it as I was trying to set the side skirts. Once I got the skirt where I wanted it to be, I put two things of painter's tape to hold it in place. I folded a piece of painter's tape so that I can measure out the distance from the outside the side skirts, so that I could basically track that along the side skirts, and as I was screwing in the screws, I could make sure the side skirt was appropriate length from the body of the car. I put in the first 3 screws, one on the back, one in the middle, and one at the very front, basically just to lock it in. Once this is done, I went back and put the 2 more screws at the bottom and then one in the back to basically finish off the rest of the side skirt. I just repeated the process on the other side, and then we're pretty much good to go. So that install was short and sweet. I know I installed that quite a while ago, and if you follow me on any other social media, you'll know that it's been on for a while. So, but I did film everything, and that was way back when. Hope you guys found that helpful. The Bayson does come with 6 screws, self-tapping screws. I would recommend upgrading them to stainless steel, so go into your local hardware store like Home Depot or something and picking up some better screws. Again, if you guys like this video, you want to see more videos like it, let me know down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.